What is going on, everybody? So I downloaded this app called CLAWEE or CLAWEE, CLAWEE. So we won. We got 400 free coins to start, and this is us winning. So you actually play a claw game live, and you actually win what you get. You can watch other people play, and whatnot. But, so yeah, we won something. But, there's so much stuff on here that you could play and win, if you unlock it first. Which you gotta level up, which is over here. So, this is basically all you can do right now to try and win. And you can watch other people try and win as well. You need to have a good internet connection, apparently, to be able to watch it. So now over here, if you want to have it shipped to you, so apparently you need to have a VIP. So what you do is, anything you win, you press that little button right here, and then you go over to the box in the corner, which I'm not going to show you because it shows my address, and yeah, then you can win stuff. But apparently, so obviously it costs real money, and yeah, so you can do VIP. We're going to do VIP just for you guys right here, so hold on. Ooh, VIP $3.99. Okay, and you get 150 coins. 7 days bonus, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so $4 basically is what it's going to cost us to ship, since you can ship for free. Right there it says free shipping. So, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, welcome to VIP Club. We are VIP. So, I don't think we got enough coins to even play another game with VIP. I don't think. What? Everything now is more expensive? Now you need more coins to play, even though we're VIP. What? That makes no sense at all. VIP, you should be able... You know why they upped it? Because it's easy to win all of these. That's why they upped it. Alright, let's go and see. Alright, so we can win some of this stuff here. So let's actually play. What do we want to play? We got 160 coins. Oh wow, we really can't do too much. Oh, now we can do a decent amount. Turtle's kind of cute. Okay, everything else is locked. Looks like I think we're going with Mr. Turtle. So, here we go. Last win. Oh, ew, it's ugly. Oh, we don't want no turtle. That thing is ugly. What about watermelon? Oh, no, we can't. Too expensive. Alright, let's go with this little guy here. Come on. Is he... Someone's playing right now, apparently. So, someone from Canada. Go, go, go! You can win. Come on. I don't know, he's kind of cute. Let's see if we can play. Alright, we're reserved. So this is them playing. Come on, you know you can win. You got this. You got this. What? No. Oh, so close. Oh, my word. That was so close. So we should be up next, I think. And then there's another guy after us. Come on, let us go. What? He's got a second turn. No, he's going where we want to go. Don't take our avocado! Oh, that looks so cheesy. That looked like it was a setup. Come on. It's gotta be our turn next. This guy's blowing all of his coins just to try and get an avocado. Come on, man. Oh, he should get that. Typical claw machine scam. Come on, buddy. You gotta be kidding me. You're still playing. This guy wants his avocado. He is a nut. No fun. Oh my. Fall! It's set up so when it bounces up. Oh, I feel bad for anybody who would waste a lot of money on this. I mean, I really feel bad. We'll make it back with our video, our YouTube video. How is he still? He's literally blowing everything he's got just to try and get this. I mean, it's 85 coins per time. And what is he doing? Like his 5th time? Let's go look. We gotta go look and see how much money this dude's actually spending. Is it a guy or a girl? I can't tell. Is that a girl? I think that's a girl. Then, if it's a girl, man, she is just spending, you know, the money that she's already spent, she could probably buy this on eBay or Amazon. And look at this. I think she's probably buying more coins because, yep, I bet you she's just literally sitting there buying coins. Alright, she deserves to win. It's such a setup. It is such a setup. There we go. Here we
go.
Oh, this is such a setup. What? Oh, you only get one time. Alright, come on. Give me my avocado! Give me! You scammer! What a joke. What a joke. You received 20. Alright, let's play on. Why not? We got 20. We got extra coins, so let's just do it for fun. Alright, so they're playing now. Oh, this is just hilarious. No, I bet you're finalizing the connection. You're gonna cause an error saying that my internet's not good enough and then steal my 85 coins. Oh, this is such a joke. Well, we did the free VIP, well, not the free, but $3.99 so we can get our item shipped to us. We're gonna go check that out. I do find this funny how finalizing connection, it is totally just messing with us. Yeah, that's how this game works. But claw machines are scam in, you know, they're just a scam. The ones in person are a scam. This is a scam. It's all a scam. You know, all this stuff is a scam.
Ready? Go.
So, that's nothing new. And it's delayed, so, like, it's really delayed. Look at, oh, you gotta be kidding me. See, that's the problem with this, it's delayed, so when you, like, stop, it doesn't stop. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna do an updated video on this, guys, and let you know. We're gonna go and we're gonna check this out. Hold on. Alright, so we are back, and our item should be shipping because 4 inches. Man, that's not that big either. That's not as big as it looked on here. Does that look like, yeah, that's probably about 4 inches. So yeah. They have it set up that anybody can basically win. The first is to try and sucker you in. So basically, we spent $4 because we got free coins to start in the beginning. So we basically spent $4 and we're getting this shipped to us. So November 14, 2020 is when we set this up to be shipped. So we're just going to be waiting. I'm not going to play this game. I mean, I'm not spending any more money because it's just ridiculous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until we get this, show you guys the quality. So you guys will have to subscribe to find out and update it on this, but yeah. I pity people who spend a lot of money. I mean, I really do pity them. Now, it's fun. You know, if you know, there's people that play games and spend money on action games or whatnot. So if you spend money for, just consider it as money you're just throwing away. But you know, all video games that you spend money for is throwing your money away. So I'm not trying to discourage someone against it. Let's watch someone on here. So I'm not trying to discourage if you want to spend money. By all means, go ahead. What I'm saying, that's not the item. Double Dream Catcher. It's a blue little thing. Light blue Double Dream Catcher. Well, that don't look like a dream catcher, does it? Anyway, so yeah, you know, that's just my thoughts. If you want to spend your money, your hard-earned money, go ahead, do it. You know, everyone should be able to, you know, whatever if you want to. What I'm just saying is, you know, it's like real-life claw machines. It's a scam in a way, and that's like any fair games. You go to a fair or arcade games, they're all set up to lose. There's some cool stuff, I will admit. You know, you look over here, you got some Halloween stuff, just different neat stuff. Like Christmas is really cool. You gotta be level 3 to unlock it, but there's some neat stuff. It's very enticing, but you gotta keep in mind that even the claw machines in person are set up as to be scammed. You know, basically it comes down to this. You could buy any of these things you see here for cheaper on eBay or Amazon than what you'll spend to do it, but then you don't get the experience. So for me, making videos, it's fun. We'll see how the item looks when it comes, if Pikachu actually looks good, and I'll show you guys. Alright, thank you for watching. Look at that guy. He is cute. That's pretty awesome. Well, I guess it actually worked. Now, was it worth the money spent? Probably not, even though it was free. But if you guys would spend money to try and win stuff, I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, all I know is it actually came. It just took an extremely long time. 4 months to be exact. What? Look at this. So people are selling this on eBay, claiming it's extremely rare. $20, $125. Asia only exclusive rare, $29.99. What? What is going on? $48. There's Whiff Defect for $11. That's crazy. I can't imagine anyone would actually spend that kind of money. Well, apparently we got a rare item here. Oh man, that's awesome. It was kind of fun, to be quite honest with you guys.